In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to game share from PlayStation 5 to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a game share between two PlayStation 5 consoles, allowing you to share your digital library. So the requirements are going to include two distinct PlayStation Network accounts, so yours and whoever you are going to be game sharing with, and of course, two distinct PlayStation 5 consoles. With those requirements out of the way, to start, set up your PlayStation 5. So go over to Settings, Access Users and Accounts, choose the Other category, and then Console Sharing and Offline Play. Make sure that this option is enabled. You can do the same on the secondary console. Now, add your friend's account to your PlayStation 5. So once again, access Settings, Users and Accounts, and go over to the Users category instead. Choose the option to add a new user and then sign in with your friend's PlayStation Network account. So you need to sign in using their credentials. Once they are successfully signed in to your PlayStation 5, you will be able to set your friend's PlayStation 5 as the primary console. So on your friend's PlayStation 5, go over to Settings, Account Management, and then Activate as your primary PlayStation 5. Now, your friend can access your PlayStation 5 games on their PlayStation 5, and you can do the opposite, so set up your console as the primary one if you want the opposite effect. Your friend signs into their PlayStation Network account on their PlayStation 5, and they will be able to access and download your PlayStation 5 game library from their PlayStation Store. You can only have one primary PlayStation 5 at a time, and you can only share games with one other person, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to game share from PlayStation 5 to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.